Ever wish someone would go from indifferent to completely captivated by you? Get ready, because this article will reveal some psychological strategies to spark attraction. No love potions or tricks, just 12 working psychology techniques. Imagine this. You walk into a room, catch someone's eye, and suddenly they can't stop thinking about you. It sounds wild, but with these 12 psychological techniques, you can boost someone's interest in you. Before we start, just to subscribe and press the bell icon to master the art of psychology for free. Trick 1. The chameleon effect. Subtly mirror their gestures and speech. This creates a feeling of connection. When you mimic someone's behavior, like smiling when they smile, they'll feel more attracted to you. Trick 2. Power posture. Stand tall and take up space. Confidence is attractive. Slouching can make you seem less appealing, while good posture can make you look more confident and assertive. Trick 3. The name game. Use their name in conversation. Hearing their name feels personal and can strengthen your bond. Trick 4. Inside jokes. Create special jokes or shared experiences that only the two of you understand. This exclusivity can deepen your connection. Trick 5. Eye contact. Hold their gaze to create a spark, but be careful not to overdo it. Too much eye contact can feel uncomfortable. Trick 6. Listen actively. Be a good listener, show genuine interest in their stories, and make them feel valued. Attention is incredibly attractive. Trick 7. Ask for small favors. This might sound strange, but asking someone for a small favor can actually make them like you more. It's a psychological effect where we feel closer to those we help. Trick 8. Be positive. Bring joy and laughter into their life. A positive attitude is contagious and makes you more attractive. Trick 9. Light touch. A gentle touch, like brushing against their arm, can create a spark. Just be mindful of their comfort level. Trick 10. Play hard to get. Don't always be available. If you're sometimes hard to reach, it can increase their desire for you. Trick 11. Find common ground. Highlight shared interests. People feel more comfortable and attracted to those who have things in common with them. Trick 12. Show, don't tell. Actions often speak louder than words. Do something nice for them to express your feelings rather than just saying how you feel. Remember, these are tools to foster attraction, so use them respectfully and ethically. Now go out there, embrace your charm, and watch the interest grow. Share your favorite attraction tips in the comments. Let's build a community focused on creating connections. And always remember, kindness is the ultimate charm.